the auger out, bud. You're getting full. I'm in the grain cart now. Long little corn. I'm gonna be if he ever sticks the auger out. Let me unload him. Unloading. Looking like we're gonna get wet, which is okay because the elevator's closed and all we can do is fill the cart because the truck's full, tarp stuff, and that'll be it for today. I have a lot more bean cutting footage that I'm gonna put in here because I didn't have enough like commentary footage to make a whole nother video of it. So yeah, you can watch that now. And I didn't want to not post it because it's really good. There's sunset and there's a sunset in it and some cool shots, I thought. So I didn't want to not post it. So there you go. We're gonna get some rain. It's really dark and the wind is just going like crazy. It's shifting the tractor around a little bit. We broke a gathering chain on the corn head too, so. And don't tell anybody, but case closed 5 hours earlier than Deere did, so we have a 1083 corn head, I believe. We have 1083. So we just called up John Deere and asked for a 843 corn head gathering chain, so, and it works. It's the same thing, so that's what we did there to keep going, and it worked. Really blue over there, but this way it's a beautiful day. But I don't know, we'll see what happens, I guess.